Bird identification. Let's start with the robin. Robins have red breasts and love to sing. Can you chirp like a robin? Chirp, chirp. Next, we have the parrot. Parrots are colorful and can talk. Can you say hello like a parrot? Hello. Look, it's a duck. Ducks love to swim in ponds. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. Here's an owl. Owls have big eyes and are awake at night. Can you hoot like an owl? Hoot, hoot. And finally, we have the peacock. Peacocks have beautiful, colorful feathers. Aren't they amazing? Birds sound. Here's the robin. Parrots. Listen to the duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Can you quack like a duck? Now, hear the owl. And finally, the peacock makes a loud call. Can you make a sound like a peacock? Birds color. Birds come in so many beautiful colors. Look at the parrot. It's green, blue, and red. Can you find something red around you? Now, look at the peacock. It has blue, green, and gold feathers. Can you find something blue? Look at the cardinal. It's bright red. Can you flap your wings like a cardinal? Birds are so colorful and beautiful. Bird habitats. Let's see where birds live. Robins build nests in trees. Can you pretend to build a nest? Ducks love swimming in ponds and lakes. Can you waddle like a duck? Quack, quack. Owls live in tree hollows. Can you make big eyes like an owl? Parrots live in rainforests where it's warm. Can you say hello like a parrot? Birds have different homes just like we do. Birds fun fact. Did you know that owls can turn their heads almost all the way around? Owls hunt at night and have big eyes to see in the dark. Can you make big eyes like an owl? Ducks have webbed feet to help them swim. Can you pretend to swim like a duck? Birds are amazing creatures with so many cool features. Interactive questions. Which bird is your favorite? Do you like the colorful parrot or the waddling duck? Let's hear you quack like a duck. Can you chirp like a robin? Can you hoot like an owl? Birds are so much fun to learn about. Thanks for joining me today. Wow, we learned so much about birds today. Remember to look out for birds next time you are outside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. Bye bye.